In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Slides available offline. This is perfect when you need to work on a presentation without internet access, on a flight, in a classroom with spotty Wi-Fi, or anywhere you want reliable access. You'll need to be signed into your Google account and using a supported desktop browser like Chrome. It's also a good idea to start with a solid internet connection for the initial setup, since your slides will need a moment to download. First, open Google Slides in your browser. You can go directly to the Google Slides homepage where all your presentations are listed. Once you're there, look to the top left corner for the main menu icon, the three horizontal lines. Click that to open the sidebar menu. In the menu, choose Settings. A small window will appear with a few options for how Slides behaves. Find the Offline section. This is where you turn on the ability to access and edit your presentations without internet. Click to enable offline. If you see a message saying an extension is required, don't worry, that's normal in Chrome. Click Install when prompted. Your browser will take you to the Chrome Web Store page for the Google Docs offline extension. Click Add to Chrome. You'll see a confirmation at the top of the screen with two choices, Cancel and Add Extension. Click Add Extension to confirm. The extension installs in just a few seconds and prepares your browser to save files for offline use. When that's done, head back to the Google Slides settings window. If it closed, reopen the main menu and select Settings again. Now enable offline. You should see the toggle switch turn on and Google will begin preparing your recent presentations so they're available without a connection. This may take a little time depending on how many files you have in your storage space, so keep your browser open and connected until it finishes. From here on, you can open Google Slides even when you're offline, view your presentations and make edits as usual. Any changes you make will sync automatically the next time you reconnect to the internet. A few tips: make sure you have enough local disk space for your files, and remember that large images or videos inside slides may take longer to cache. If you're on a managed device, your organization might control whether offline access is allowed. That's it. You've enabled Google Slides offline and are ready to work anywhere with confidence.